Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shutting off the water and exposing the drain. Remove the stopper and overflow trim now so you can access fasteners. Apply penetrating oil to threads and joints. Let it soak several minutes while you prepare tools. Use a flashlight to inspect the flange and any corrosion. Once done, fit a 3/8 hex or appropriate extractor into the drain center and secure a wrench. You are set to break the seal and start turning the drain out. You now focus on removing the core that holds the cast iron drain in place. Insert an internal extractor or drive a 1/2 screw into the center so you can pull and torque. Turn counterclockwise with steady force. If it resists, apply heat and more penetrating oil, then tap gently to break the rust bond. Once the inner piece comes loose, continue unscrewing. Make sure to support the wrench against the tub to avoid sudden slips or chipping the porcelain. You finish by pulling the loosened cast iron flange free. Pry carefully and lift straight out to avoid chipping. Once removed, clean the area of old putty, rust, and debris. Inspect the pipe for breaks or sharp edges. Make sure to apply a new gasket or plumber's putty when installing the replacement. If the flange is fused and won't budge, use an angle grinder with a diamond blade, wear eye and ear protection, and cut in short passes to avoid heat damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.